Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code in Roblox Mobile, quick and easy. Now let's get started. Make sure you have the app. If you haven't already, download Roblox from the App Store or Google Play. Create an account or log in. You need to be signed in to use this feature. Open the Roblox app. Once you're in, go to the home screen. Tap on Add Friends. This option helps you connect with others. Select Share QR Code. This will show your own QR code. Tap the icon. You'll see this at the top right corner. Scan the QR code. Just point your camera at the code and it will automatically process. And that's it. Super easy, right? If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.